Okay, so on this video, we are going to, if we are given two sides of a triangle, what lengths could the third side possibly be? Okay, so I'm going to talk through this example as far as the y, and then we are going to then, so I'm going to show you a shortcut. So if I have lengths of 2 and 11, so I know that 2 plus some missing angle has to be greater than 11. But remember, we could also be adding the 11 to it because we don't know what the third side is. Or we could do 2 plus 11 has to be greater than some number. So this is what we are trying to determine. So if I put an 8 in there, that gives me 10. That doesn't work. 9. If I put a 9 in there, that does give me 11. The most common error is people want to say, well, what about 9.1? Well, 9.1 is not the next number. What about 9.05? Because that would still work. It's still greater than 11. Over here, 2 plus 11 has to be greater than 13. Right? So what you are doing is you have two things that you are looking at. What number could this be? And what number could that possibly be? Could this be 13? The answer is no, because 2 plus 11 equals 13, and 13 is not greater than 13. So this cannot be quite 13, and this can't quite be 9. So the easiest thing to do is to take your two numbers, subtract them, and take your two numbers and add them. So there's that 9 and that 13 that we were talking about. So our third side would have to be between 9 and 13. Using that word between means that 9 won't work and 13 won't work, but any of the stuff between them would work. So let's do one more quick example. Let's do example 2. So if I have 24 and 8, what could the range of my third side possibly be? I'm going to subtract them, get 16, and I'm going to add them and get 32. So I know my third side has to be somewhere between 16 and 32.